April 2023 when I had my first one-on-one session with an image coach. And I remember I felt so nervous at that time because that time I was a beginner at learning this language, and also maybe that girl was so pretty, that's why. And on one-on-one session, so as a beginner you understand what was that feeling. So but I'm very thankful about her because she gave me an idea where I can practice my English. At that time, usually, like as a beginner, uh, we feel that we want something that absolutely free of cost, and we can easily upgrade over this skill. So I was also like that, like this. And she gave me an idea that where I can practice my English, and she told me about this app called Clubhouse. Actually, I upload my last video about how I learn English, and on that video so many people, so many of you were asking me that Rahul, where we can practice our English. So here's the video for you. First app that I am practicing my English, and I practice my English every day on Clubhouse. And Clubhouse is absolutely free of cost app. But there is not only Indian people, there where you find so many foreign people also, and you can easily talk to them. You can just download that app called Clubhouse on your Play Store, on your App Store easily, and make your profile, and just uh, join all the houses there. You can also join my house, link in the description. And like so many people there talking to each other in a group. So there are so many group sessions every time, like in the night also, because it's a global app. So that was my first app, and even I have been using this now, every day actually, to improve my communication, to improve my fluency, and to become more confident in front of the people. Okay, so that was my first step, and after that I used Joe's skill app, but that was not free. I purchased it around 450 rupees per 3 month. Okay, 3 month package. So on Joe's skill app we can talk to a stranger on a call, and there are also like a lot of additional like benefits of that. You can also purchase this, but here I am telling you all these like free apps. So first was Clubhouse that I was using. I have been using that app. And after when I used Joe's skill, and after some of 1 months I start using, one day I'm sitting, and I was watching Alina Ray's videos. You all know about her. She's great English teacher, and so many videos on YouTube about her practices. About she's talking about how we can improve our English communication. Okay, so that is the thing. That was my second thing. And yeah, I'm telling you that I was one day I was watching Alina Reyes videos. So she have lot of like Telegram groups, so where we can talk to each other, like like each other easily, and practice. So I have been practice so many Telegram groups. And all the groups links I will give you on in the description. You can just check it out. So you can also practice your English communication on Telegram groups, and there you can find so many Indian people, and they can easily talk to someone, and they also become so friendly with you after some time. I'm having so many friends on my Telegram, and that is the thing that was my last thing that I was using, and I have been using, like now I've been using. So that is the thing. And in this video I'm just telling you what is the where you can practice your English. And that was my story. And I also want to tell you that when you are just practice your speaking and not focus on other things like reading, writing, listening, there is a huge chance that you might be feel that you might be feel unmotivated for some time actually. Because after some time you feel that, because when we are only speaking, that time probably we we do so many mistakes. And that's possible, like as a beginner, definitely we do. So if you are just speaking, make sure you also focus on your writing as well. As just try to write your daily routine, about your daily routine and about your life. And you can also write a journal and just gratitude note. And focus that where you are doing a mistake. So writing is also wonderful, guys, for me as well. As let's see, that is my like diary, and I have been reading for so many times. And reading is also make us more creative. So if you want to practice your English, make sure that speaking is not everything. Yeah, speaking is more important than any other three things. But make sure you also focus on writing and listening. At least listening and writing, both the things are also important. So thank you so much if you are watching till now. And if you have any kind of questions, guys, learning a new language is a journey. Don't be like impatient. Try to have more patience in your mind. And it's a long journey. And try to give a proper time to your mind, that it will process what you are giving, what you are learning throughout the day. Thank you so much if you're watching till now. If you have any kind of questions, ask me, feel free. And you can also connect with me on my Clubhouse. You can also connect with my Telegram groups, like all these groups, Alina Race groups, link in the description. And you can also connect with me on my Instagram and just ask me anything. I will help you for sure. Thank you so much if you are watching till now. Subscribe my channel and share this video with your English partners, with your besties, with your friends. Thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next video. And yeah, we will talk to talk to you in the next video. Bye.